In this video, you'll learn the difference between Wolf's 60-inch Pro ranges, just like you're in an appliance store, so you can make the right decision for you and your family. Wolf is a subsidiary of family-owned American-based Sub-Zero company. They have 5 60-inch Pro range models to choose from, 3 in dual fuel and 2 in all gas. Choosing between dual fuel and all gas is the first consideration. Let's take a look at how they differ. Dual fuel is a gas cooktop and an electric oven. Electric ovens offer a drier heat and are better for baking. Most salespeople will push you into dual fuel. However, all gas ranges have their advantages. Gas ovens are better for roasting because they have a moister, heavier heat, which is great for roasting meat. All gas ovens also have better broilers than electric, especially in Pro ranges. Wolf's all gas model, like most ranges, offer the intense, directed heat of an infrared broiler. Infrared is the sear element on premium Lynx and Heston grills. However, Wolf is a dual fuel company. Their dual fuel range is more advanced with more features than all gas. For example, the burners on the dual fuel are more powerful with 20,000 BTU max compared to just 15,000 in an all gas version. Wolf's dual fuel range features their VertiFlow convection system with twin convection fans and extended elements to maintain consistent temperature, while their all gas model offers only single convection. The dual fuel also has a touchscreen control and smart functionality, along with knobs displaying the temperature. Their guided cooking system, Wolf Gourmet, allows you to input the food and how you want it cooked. The range will calculate time, temperature, and even rack position. The all-gas range is basic and only offers knobs to control cooktop and oven. So if you want that roast medium rare, the dual fuel will tell you how long it will take, the accurate temperature, and the correct rack position for it. You have to figure it out in the gas model. The dual fuel oven also offers self-cleaning in the oven. So why would you buy the all gas? Well, it's a good option if you roast and especially if you broil. It's also less expensive at $16,000 versus $20,000 for the dual fuel. A gas range only uses 12 amps versus 50 for a dual fuel, so you don't have to change your electrical to accommodate a Wolf Pro gas range. Both all gas and dual fuel models can simmer well at 340 degrees with a consistent flame from a 3-stage burner, as only part will light in a simmer setting. The grill, griddle, and French top are equally as powerful for either fuel type. The grill is infrared, which is excellent for searing. You have similar choices for cooktops in gas or dual fuel with 6 burners and a griddle, or 6 burners with grill and griddle. Only the dual fuel will offer their French top option. Wolf and Blue Star are the only brands featuring a French top, which has a central burner with heat radiating outwards, allowing you to cook different foods at different temperatures. If you want more information about the other 60-inch Pro ranges, click this video, and thanks for watching.